Hey everyone, so it's pitch black now, walking home through the woods, a different set of woods to the first set of woods. We go around in a massive circle, so now going through a different set of woods. Hold on, there's Saren and Gia. And obviously Saren's got a torch and I've got this on flash, but otherwise look, it's pitch black. It is pitch black, apart from the torch and the flash on this obviously. So yeah, we did our walk on the way home. It actually wasn't that cold at all. Like, it really wasn't. I didn't need a hat really. But pretty uneventful walk. Saw lots of deer, but we always do. That's about it really. Nothing eventful happened this time, Saren, did it? Touch wood so far. We've still got a little way to walk home. I won't be so sure, apparently, from drama, so anyway, I'll go. Always be kind. Peace.